Video tutorial number 4 is how to update the products list. So if you want to update the products from the backend system, or if you want to update the products from your website, you can always do that using the backend system. Now let me show you what we have for docs. For the docs website, we don't have products, but we have services. So these are our services. They're just the same with having the products. It's the same concept. So for our graphic design category, we do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 services, or we have 8 products for our graphic design category. So let's say I want to add a new, let's say we already have a new service for graphic design. So we want to add it here as the 9th service or the 9th product. So I can go to the backend system to do that. So again, you can use the backend system. And for you to update the products, you need to click on this button. This is the product management button, where you can see a gift icon. So let's click on it. Okay, so we have here the list of the categories. We have graphic design as a category, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 services or 8 products, just like what we have here from the website. Okay, so everything is online. This one is a set focus button or feature. If you want if you want your customers to focus on the details of the picture, you can enable this one. Anyway, we can check on it later. I will show you on how to use this feature. So up here we do have 4 buttons. We have product overview, like what we have here. We have add a new product button. This is for adding new products. This is for editing category, and this is for new category. So if you want to add a category, so you can just simply click here, and these are the recent categories that we have for docs. We have 6, and if you want to add, you can just add number 7 and type the name of the category here. You can also provide a little or a short description, and just hit the plus sign to add the category. Now in this part, if you want to add a new category, you might need to inform the developer, because this part here is being controlled by the developer. Remember that before we started doing your website, we will be asking you on how many categories you will use for your website. So in case you need to add one in the future, you might need to contact the developer. But right now, what we can do is to add or update products on our categories. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me go back to product overview here. Now let's say I want to add a product under graphic design category. So what I will do is to click on this button, the green button, and I will select graphic design as the category, and I will put the name. So I want to name it service number 9, and add the price. So before was $150 and now is $130. Okay, and here is where I will type in the product details. and make sure to do this, remove format, so that it will follow the template of the website. So it will follow the right or the correct font style on the website, so that everything will be in uniform font style. So right after that, this is where you will add the content for your product. You can also add a picture here, and this is where you will add the cover photos for your product. So in adding cover photos for your product, we need to use a small size of photo so that the page will load faster. Don't worry if it's small, because the website will auto adjust. So we can actually add up to 4 images or 4 photos for your product. So let me show you how. We can go to Flickr. So that's flickr.com, enter. So let's sign in here, and you need to have your Yahoo account to have a Flickr account. So I already have one, so I will just need to log in and type my password, my Yahoo account password, and sign in. So I'm already on my dashboard. Now I want to add a picture, so I will just need to click on this button, the cloud button with an arrow. Click on choose photos and videos. Okay, now it is looking for a file from your computer, so I will just select this koala bear and hit open. Okay, so it's here, it's loading. So I can click on upload one photo and just click upload again. Alright, so I am in my photo stream. You can also click here, view, and then photo stream. Okay, so if you want to use this picture, I will just click on it. Okay, after clicking it, I need to click on this arrow icon, the share photo button. I will click here and select BB code. We have 4 tabs: share, embed, email, and BB code. So I will select BB code and make sure it is set to small. Not medium, not large, but small. We do have 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we have 2 small sizes here. You can select any, or you can also select square so that the picture will be square. I think square is much better, so I can use square so that it will show a square photo. And what I will do is copy the link. So right click, copy, and open a notepad. Okay, and paste the link here. Alright, so what I will need now is the part where I can see farm2.staticflickr.com. I will start with the HTTPS up until .jpg. Or I can do it this way. I can like minimize the notepad. Alright, so I can easily find here the link that I will need. So in case you will add a different picture, let me find a different picture. Let's say I want this picture as well. You can just copy and I will paste it here, and there you go. It's much easier to find the link that you will need. Alright, so I will use this one. So I will copy, go back to the back end and paste it here. Okay, so we already have a picture. You can add more if you want to. Just do the same step. So let's say I want to add a photo as well here. I can do the same like what we did for the banner. So I will go back to Flickr. I will close this out. Okay, I want to use this koala bear. So for the content, you don't need to use a small picture. You can, like, if you want to use a bigger picture, then you will do it this way. So I will click here on the last button and click view all sizes. Alright, so I have different sizes now. So I don't want it to be this small. I want it like this. Medium 800 by 600 is okay. So I will right click and copy image address. Go back to the backend. Click here to add image. Paste. Right click paste. And then click anywhere. Okay. So we can already see the picture here. And then just remove the width or the dimensions. Alright, it will automatically remove the height as well once you remove the width. Now we need to do this so that if your customer will be browsing using a mobile phone, it will auto adjust, or it will do the responsive web design feature. So after doing that, you can click on OK, and there you can already see the picture. So I'll scroll down to the bottom because I'm done, and before I hit save, I will make sure it is set to online. And if I want my customers to focus on the picture, I can just check here and save, but I don't need this feature. I will just hit save now. Okay, so it already added here. It's online. So let's check if it's already on the website. So let's refresh or reload the page. Okay, so I can already see it here. I will check on the category graphic design. Alright, we already have 9 products or services here. So let's check the content. Okay, so the koala bear is right here, and the bigger picture is here. Okay, so it has added a picture. So let's say I will need to remove this one. So all I can do is I can go to the backend to remove this product. So to remove a product, you need to go back to the backend system. You do have 2 options. You can set it to offline, or you can remove it permanently by deleting it using this trash bin icon. So I will click on the pencil icon. Let's say I just want this to be offline for now because it's out of stock, but it will come back really soon. So I will just set it to offline and save. Okay, so it's already offline. Let's go back to product overview. So right now it's offline, so customers will not see this on the website. Now let's double check if it's gone. Refresh. And there you go, you don't see it anymore because it's offline. So going back, if you want to permanently delete this one, you can just click on this trash bin icon on the right side, and it will ask if you want to remove it, and just hit OK, and it will permanently remove it from the system, also from the website. So that's how simple it is to add or remove a product using the backend system for your website. Once you're done, you can go back to the main page, or you can just log out. Thank you so much and have a great day.